I think what they were passing on was a rather traditional, religiously infused life. They they were both, my parents were both born in America, and they also were a product of public schools. And theirs was a marriage of love. It was not an arranged marriage, and so that's a pretty that's a pretty big change from the earlier generation. And every couple makes their negotiations. And one of the negotiations that was important to my mother was that she had to have a kosher home. And I don't know if it was something that my father was brought up with, but he agreed that was something, if that was important to her, he would go along with it. So I grew up in a kosher home, a holiday celebrating home, and I had to defend things that were seemingly innocuous to me in school. An example that comes up every spring during Passover is that my mother would make the matzah and jelly sandwiches for me when I was in school, and I had milk from the milk program. And one day a boy came over to me, and he said to me in his best Brooklyn English, "Ain't you got any bread in your house?" And I just didn't bat an eyelash, and I said no. I kept on eating my sandwich. Well, the next day, he went to my father's business, and he plopped down a bag, and he said, "This is for your daughter, because she ain't got no bread in her house." It's just those little, cultural exchanges or lack of understanding that sometimes you just remember.